Can you believe the average price of a new car is about $50,000? But don't worry, there are still plenty of fun and affordable options out there.
Let's dive into some exciting sports cars, sporty sedans, and hatchbacks that you can snag for well under $50,000.
First up, the Mazda MX-5 Miata, starting at $30,515. With its 2.0-liter engine and snappy 6-speed manual, it's the epitome of affordable fun. Next, the Toyota GR86, priced at $29,295. It offers a bit more power than the Miata with its 2.4-liter flat-4 engine. The Honda Civic Si is a popular choice for those seeking fun and functionality. Starting at just over $31,000, it comes with a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine. The Volkswagen GTI, an iconic hot hatchback, starts at $33,190. It boasts a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine with 241 horsepower. The Subaru BRZ, sharing its platform with the GR86, starts at $33,380. It includes Subaru's Starlink infotainment system and EyeSight driver assistance. The Ford Mustang EcoBoost Fastback, a muscle car icon, starts at $33,515. It packs a turbocharged 2.3-liter engine with 315 horsepower. The Subaru WRX, slightly more expensive than the Civic Si, starts at $33,155. It offers a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine with 271 horsepower. The Volkswagen Jetta GLI, a sedan alternative to the GTI, starts at $33,940. It features a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine with 228 horsepower. The Acura Integra, a fancier Civic, starts at $34,195. It shares the same engine as the Civic Si, but comes with a continuously variable transmission. The Mini Cooper S, starting at $34,375, may not be the hottest hatchback, but it offers charming driving dynamics with its turbocharged 2.0-liter engine. The Mazda 3 Turbo, not marketed as a hot hatchback, starts at $34,435. It features a turbocharged 2.5-liter engine with 250 horsepower. The Hyundai Elantra N, a feisty sports sedan, starts at $35,445. It comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine making 276 horsepower. The Toyota GR Corolla, an exciting 5-door hatchback, starts at $39,095. It hides a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine with 300 horsepower. The Nissan Z, with its retro-futuristic styling, starts at $44,110. It features a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine with 400 horsepower. The Volkswagen Golf R, the GTI's more powerful sibling, starts at $46,890. It packs a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine with 315 horsepower. The Honda Civic Type R, the ultimate form of the Civic, starts at $47,045. It offers 315 horsepower from its turbocharged 2.0-liter engine. The Ford Mustang GT, with its 5.0-liter V8 engine, starts at $48,155. It delivers 486 horsepower and rear-wheel drive. The Cadillac CT4V, a more affordable V-badged option, starts at $48,790. It features a turbocharged 2.7-liter engine with 325 horsepower. Finally, the Audi S3, a fancier GTI with 4 doors, starts at $49,995. It comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine making 328 horsepower.